Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to resize canvas in Photoshop. So actually there are two ways. The first way is just click on the crop tool, and here you have a lot of presets, like you can use 5:7, also you can use 1:1. You also have 16:9, which people generally use. Now if you want to resize it, just go to edge and hold your left click and just make it as you want. I can just fix it here. Again hit enter, and yeah, there you go, the canvas is changed. And not only that, if you want to resize it by yourself without any preset, you can do that as well. Just erase these numbers from here, this also, and now you can just freely make your canvas as you want, just like this. I want it from here also, so I'll just drag it right here, and yeah, here you can see now we have made the canvas as we want. But if you want to resize the canvas by entering height and width, then this way is for you. In this way, you just need to click on image. Here you will see the option canvas size, and right here you can enter the width. Let's suppose I choose the width here 3300 by 2500. And also you can change the anchor point. If you want to expand the canvas from like this point, you can just set it on here. If you want to expand downwards, just set it on here. So basically you can just place the anchor point from wherever you want to expand the canvas. Once you choose that, just click on OK, and yeah, there you go, we have resized the canvas. So yeah guys, these are two ways to resize canvas in Photoshop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.